Makain ako ng snack. Peanut butter. Gutom ako. Nagluluto ako. Hamburger na may mixed vegetables. Nagutom ako. What's the problem?
Nothing. When socks and stuff fall behind the fridge, we use this little sticky thing
Oh,
to smooth it out and bring it into the corner. Yeah, we got a big jumbo.
shout out.
I just wanted, I ordered another game, but I wanted to try
Sa
food, but
lahat.
I didn't realize it came with a big price on the sides. That's what was back. Sometimes I order when I order the groceries, expecting it to come in the same time.
Yeah.
But I think they ship that in a separate section of the store. Or they can't get it from one store.
Ano ang may Adam sa Pilipinas? Pero alam ko, yung craft, merong
Yeah, I'm gonna
masarap ang peanut butter sa Pilipinas.
And then, you know what? I asked for 2 packs of these, and they come take together 2 packs like this, right? So I was expecting, usually that's expecting 2 packs.
At masarap ang tinapay sa Pilipinas.
Figured since there's only 2
Kahit hindi mo i-toast,
take together, that's all I wanted. But sometimes they send me 4. But they did
pwede.
send me 4
Sarap.
pieces.
Kahit hindi mo lagyan ng palaman, makakain mo.
And I like the fact that sometimes I have to use the word.
Dito kailangan na i-toast.
Or if I order
Kung
huge fish material,
hindi, hindi masarap. At kung hindi mo lagyan ng palaman, hindi masarap. Masarap lang kung talagang gutom na gutom ka na. Nagka-problema ang aking video. Nagdilim na naman. Bakit kaya?
Well, if you don't want to park by the head, yeah, just want to park by the stop side, it will be okay for me. It'll be, it's like, it's not, as long as this car is in the boundaries of behind, like, away from the road. You know? Think about that. When it's switched to solid, then it waits until it's flashing on it.
Wala na akong luya. Hindi na ako makalaga. What's that?
You got a notification from
It's okay.
being volunteer cancer drivers and your checky loo. What you making? You making some
Dinner for
for the kid?
Mhm.
I was only gonna start cooking about 6:30ish. You want me to throw some other hamburger things in the?
I'm donating for Breast Cancer Association.
No, that's for the volunteer drivers.
Volunteer.
Mm.
Okay. I'm doing my video.
Oh. Hi, video. How come it's blank?
Yeah, that's my problem. I don't know what happened. Can you do like this?
Let's stir it.
Yeah.
Why is your phone getting all super bright?
What is it? That's
What's going on? How come it's so bright? Like the screen's like bright as sunlight.
no, it's like that. When
Maybe you need to get a new phone.
I know this year
Wow.
by October.
Maybe you should retire this one. Just use it for storage or something, and retire it and get rid of it.
I'm getting every 2 years.
Yeah, or I think I'll check the settings on it later. Maybe your brightness level got accidentally set up super bright for some reason.
Yeah.
That's really bright. That's going to drain your battery. I think the brightness level got put up. So, you got your cook. Oh, this is on like a low heat, eh?
Mm-hmm.
You're thinking of making. When you cook it like this, usually what I do is I break the hamburger down into small bite-sized chunks. But sometimes when it goes like this, it's all one big chunk, like a big hamburger.
The kids don't like that. It's too thin.
Or I usually break it into small chunks like this, eh?
Yeah.
But it's never mind. It's already big, huge strips.
It's okay.
But it's okay. Are you making it for spaghetti or for something else or whatever you're making? Or are you making it
My
for...
specialty hamburger with mixed vegetables.
Are you gonna mix it with the? You want me to make some mac and cheese or something?
No, rice.
Okay, we want rice. Okay.
Look like rice.
I want to check on your phone later to try to adjust that later. It doesn't look right. It's too bright, the screen. It's like, are you kidding me? Yeah, I gotta take some.
My goodness, my room is so cold.
No, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Should I put? No, this had that one. I should take it and put it in your room, maybe.
Yeah.
So it's safe and secure.
What day today? Alexa, what day today? Alexa, what day today?
January 15th, 2025 was on a Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah, that's. I could have told you right there. It's the 15th because I got it in my watch. I keep my watch on hand because I get pretty busy. I'll leave this in your room.
When is the package arrived?
There will be a package later, sometime later today.
Today?
Later this evening. I don't know when. They said between 5 o'clock today.
Is my shoes?
No, something else.
Like what? Oh, and what else?
That's pretty much it, I think. I don't know.
Okay.
But, some personal items.
Okay.
And then, Saturday, a lot of things are going to arrive on Saturday, and then Tuesday, other things will be arriving.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and I also disputed, I went online and my bank account disputed. I told them that there was a payment on my card that was fraud. So I disputed it because they billed me last time.
So what happened?
It's a stupid chatbot thing. I went in to get, I don't want to talk about it on.
Okay.
It's like, I don't want to give the information on while you're doing a live show, but
Yeah.
basically, I was looking into ordering food through a different company, and I checked through, and I tried to get some information on it online, and they billed me for it.
Oh my goodness.
The company somebody billed me for it.
How much?
Well, first of all, they did a test. They billed me just as a test to see if the money would go through, $2.50.
Oh my
And then
goodness.
later on, sometime later, because they were giving me information on something.
Yeah,
Because I'm not going to say the company or nothing because I don't want.
I know how much.
About $40, and I thought, okay, fine, maybe it's a one-time thing, right? Because they're charging me for the information that they were giving me.
So how much?
And then
Everything.
so I said $40, but
Only
a month later, they're charging me again, and I didn't use the service, so it's a scam.
Yeah, complain.
No, I already complained. I already typed in the message on my phone. When I went into the bank, I already said what I did is I highlighted the account information, and there's a special form you can fill out in the bank while you're online.
Okay.
And I basically disputed it, and I sent it to them. I told them this, I don't like this, or what is this is fraud, blah blah blah, and I think it's whatever. And I basically, and I'm not going to mention the name or anything like that because I don't want I can only eat so much of, and I'm not feeling that I don't really feel like eating it. But I'm glad he's getting better at making pizza.
I know.
I gotta get my sharpener so I can sharpen this blade of this other blade. It needs to be sharpened up better. Well, I'll come back in a bit.
Shout out sa mga nakakadala sa akin. Maraming salamat. Palaging masaya. Dahil maikli lang ang buhay. Giinit ako ng tubig. God bless everyone. Good morning dyan sa inyo. Dito, good evening na. Dali lang ng ano dito. Ang gabi. Ang ikli lang ng ano. Ng umaga. Nakakain ako ng snack. Tapos maluto ako. Kain na lang akong gulay. Ulim ako ng mainit na tubig. Hindi malamig kasi lalo akong maano yan. Nagaganyan ako. Sobrang lamig. Tapos na ang aking pagkain. Itong aking paboritong peanut butter. Adams. Walang malaki. Iwan ko lang kung meron dyan sa Pilipinas ng Adams. Dahil dito yung mga ang tulad ng Kraft meron naman dyan. Nagsa-shopping sa Ate Ami sa SM. Sa Shopee. Yeah.